In this video, I will show you how you can charge your AirPods case. Now, if you look at the bottom of your AirPods, you will find the charging port. Newer AirPods come with a USB Type-C port, but if you have an older AirPod, you will find a Lightning port at the bottom of your AirPods case. Now, to charge it, just use a compatible charger. Preferably, just use Apple's original charging cable or any other charging cable which is supported by Apple. After that, just plug in the charging cable in your AirPods. And as you do that, you will hear a sound and an orange light will appear on your AirPods case, which indicates that your AirPods has started charging. Now, other than the wired charging method, there are two other methods to charge your AirPods. Some AirPods supports wireless charging and some other AirPods support MagSafe wireless charging. Now, I will show you a table on the screen of all the AirPod models. From this table, just check if your AirPods are compatible or not. Now, if your specific AirPods supports wireless charging or MagSafe wireless charging, you can charge it using a MagSafe charger or a wireless charger. And this is how you can charge your AirPods case. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.